So for activity 14, we had to read the childhood obesity and interpersonal dynamics during family meals. And pretty much in this article, it was talking about just the different things that are associated with what you do during your family meals, how long they are, if like electronics are allowed, just how comfortable or supportive like your family meals may be, stuff like that. And so the things that I thought were interesting was the that in families that had electronics at the table, or something like a television, phone, computer, stuff like that, it seemed to have a higher chance of a obese, overweight child, just according to the data when looking over it. And another thing that I thought was interesting was, once again, it brought up like the warmth of your family dinners, like what kind of emotional connection is being made at your family dinners has an impact. And then it was talking about how families should be encouraged to prioritize family meals, even if it was talking about the average length was 16 to 20 minutes of that family meals were that were in this study. And so prioritizing them, even if they're short as 20 minutes, it's still beneficial. I thought that was interesting. And just the overall, it was pretty much saying, just if you have family meals that are as a positive environment, it tends to be protective against childhood obesity. And that's pretty much what the whole article was aimed at, was just the family dynamics at the dinner table.